You are exhausted. Your toddler is screaming, and now you have to wrestle a 50-pound stroller into the trunk. What if I told you the right compact stroller could actually make you want to leave the house again? I am going to walk you through exactly what it is like to use these day in and day out, from folding them in crowded parking lots to pushing them over cracked pavement. Stick around until the end, because the stroller taking the #1 spot completely changed how I travel with my kids.
6. Mompush Nexis Carbon Travel Stroller. On paper, this thing looks like a total lifesaver for busy parents. It is incredibly lightweight, thanks to the carbon fiber frame, and they advertise this magic 1-second autofold. I mean, who does not want a stroller that practically folds itself when your hands are full? When I first pulled it out of the box, I was genuinely impressed by how little it weighed. You can easily pick it up with one hand while holding a squirming toddler in the other. It feels great when you were just carrying it around the house or lifting it out of the car. But here is what matters when you actually hit the pavement. The wheels are small, really small. If you're walking on perfectly smooth mall floors, it glides nicely. But the second you hit a cracked sidewalk or a patch of grass at the park, you feel every single bump. It rattles quite a bit, and honestly, the suspension just is not there to absorb the shock of an average neighborhood walk. And you know, that autofold feature, it works about 80% of the time. The other 20%, you are standing there awkwardly shaking it, trying to get the latch to catch. It is frustrating when you're in a rush and just want to get your kid into the car seat. The canopy is decent, but the seat itself lacks the padding you really want for a long day out. 5. Chicco Presto Self-Folding Compact Stroller. Chicco is a brand most of us know and trust. They make good stuff. This one is pitched as a self-folding compact stroller with a nice big canopy to keep the sun out of your baby's eyes. When you first set it up, the build quality feels solid. It does not feel cheap or flimsy. The fabric is thick, the canopy really does pull down far enough to actually block the sun, and the basket underneath is surprisingly roomy for an umbrella stroller. I could actually fit a medium-sized diaper bag under there, along with a few water bottles and a jacket. But let's be real for a second. The fold. They call it self-folding, but it requires a very specific, aggressive flick of the wrist to actually engage. If you do not do it just right, it just kind of collapses halfway and stops. I found myself fighting with the frame more often than not when trying to pack it away. The other issue I ran into is the seat recline. It operates on this strap system that is just a pain to adjust when your kid is actually sitting in it. You need 2 hands and a lot of patience to get it to lay flat. And if your kid falls asleep, trying to smoothly recline them without waking them up? Good luck. The maneuverability is okay, but the frame feels surprisingly heavy for something in the compact category.
4. Ingenuity 3D Light Convenience Stroller. You have probably seen this one around your neighborhood. It is incredibly popular, and after using it extensively, I totally get why. It strips away all the complicated features and just focuses on being a solid, reliable umbrella stroller. The aluminum frame is lightweight, coming in at just over 13 pounds. This makes it an absolute breeze to throw into the trunk or carry up a flight of stairs. The handles are actually positioned at a really comfortable height, even if you are on the taller side. You do not have to hunch over while you're walking, which is a rare find in this category. I really like the 4-position recline on this model. Unlike the Chicco, the mechanism here is straightforward. You can easily adjust the seat with one hand, making nap times on the go way less stressful. The seat itself is roomy enough for an older toddler, and the padding is surprisingly good. The wheels have decent shock absorption for what it is. You are not going to take this off-roading, obviously, but for neighborhood walks, running through the airport, or navigating crowded sidewalks, it handles beautifully. The front wheels lock too, which helps when you're going over slightly rougher terrain like gravel. The 3D light does exactly what it promises without any unnecessary fuss. It's a true workhorse. 3. Koolababy Lightweight Travel Stroller. I will admit I was a little skeptical of this one at first because it is a newer brand, but it completely won me over during my testing. This stroller punches way above its weight class in almost every category. First off, the design is just incredibly smart. It has this sleek, modern look that rivals strollers triple its price. But the real star of the show is the fold. It is actually genuinely one-handed. You push a button, squeeze the handle, and the whole thing drops down into a perfectly neat, compact square in about 2 seconds. I tested this going through airport security, and it was an absolute dream. You can hold your baby, collapse the stroller, and toss it on the belt without breaking a sweat. It also comes with a travel bag, which is a huge bonus for protecting it from getting trashed by baggage handlers during flights. The push on this is incredibly smooth. The wheels are made of a high-quality rubber that grips the pavement nicely, and the suspension actually does its job. Your kid is not going to get jostled around on every little pebble. You can easily steer it through tight store aisles with just one hand. I mean, they even nailed the little details. The peekaboo window in the canopy is magnetic, so you do not wake up a sleeping baby with a loud Velcro noise. The underseat storage is accessible from the front and back. 2. Graco Ready-to-Jet Compact Stroller. Graco has been making gear forever, but this specific model feels like they finally listened to exactly what parents actually want in a travel stroller. It is practically flawless for families who are constantly on the move and need something dependable. The name really says it all. This thing is built for travel. It folds down incredibly small, so small in fact that it easily fits in the overhead bin of most airplanes. If you have ever had to gate check a stroller and wait forever on the cold jet bridge to get it back, you know how huge of a deal this is. You just walk right off the plane and go. But it's not just about the fold. The ride quality is fantastic. Graco managed to put a genuinely plush, comfortable seat into a tiny frame. The adjustable calf support makes a huge difference for keeping toddlers comfortable, especially when they're napping during long travel days. And here's what matters for the parents. The push is totally effortless. You can steer this thing with one finger while drinking your coffee. The frame is sturdy enough that it doesn't flex or wobble when you take a sharp corner, which is a massive problem with most super compact strollers. The canopy is massive, offering great sun protection, and the braking system is flip-flop friendly. You just step on it to lock and step on it to unlock. No scuffing up the top of your shoes. Joovy Zoom 360 Ultralight Jogging Stroller. Now, I know what you are thinking. This is technically a jogging stroller, not a traditional umbrella stroller. But let me explain why it takes the absolute crown for anyone needing a lightweight, everyday solution. When you're looking for an umbrella stroller, you really just want something light, easy to fold, and easy to push. The Zoom 360 takes all of those requirements and adds massive air-filled tires that glide over literally everything. It is a total game changer for your daily routine. Despite being a jogger, it is astonishingly light. The frame is made from aircraft-grade aluminum. It weighs only 25 pounds, which is incredibly light for this class of stroller. The fold is totally simple and straightforward, and the quick-release wheels mean you can pop it into a tiny trunk in seconds without fighting the frame. The seat sits up incredibly high, which kids absolutely love because they get a great view of everything around them. The shock-absorbing suspension is incredible. You can hop curbs, run over tree roots, or navigate awful sidewalks without your kid even noticing a bump. It is the smoothest ride I've ever tested by a mile. If you want the ultimate combination of a lightweight frame with unmatched maneuverability, this is it. It completely replaces the need for a flimsy umbrella stroller and a bulky everyday stroller. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.